So time is
Right.
our resource that we can't get back. So if you can buy convenience and buy your time back with money, then that makes you happy. So if you can outsource cleaning your house, that would make you happy. And then the second one was the giving. So giving away your money does increase your
Well,
happiness.
on time, that's the most valuable commodity in the world. I tell people all the time that, philanthropists are not looked at appropriately. When you look at the list of the biggest philanthropists in the world, you look at who's given away the most money, but you should look at who's given away the most of their time, because time is more valuable. You can always make more money if you're inclined to do so. You can't make more time. And so I try to say to people that philanthropy is derived from an ancient Greek word that means loving humanity. And you can love humanity by giving your time, not your money necessarily. So the woman that began Teach for America, she did not have a lot of money, but she started that with her time, her energy, her ideas, and I think changed the face of education somewhat. So I always try to tell younger people, if you don't have money, fine, help other people with your time, and that can be just as fulfilling.
On the note of time, are there any hard and fast rules you have around your time to be able to protect it so that you can use it towards giving?
Well, I'm not as good at using my time the way I probably should in some respects.